The following video addresses the redesigned Uniform Residential Loan Application, URLA, which was scheduled to become mandatory February 2020. Implementation of the redesigned URLA has been pushed back to March 2021 in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The URLA presently in use and the redesigned URLA are based on the same fundamentals, though feature different sequencing.
The first component of the Uniform Residential Loan Application is titled Section 1, Borrower Information. Section 1 calls for the borrower to enter their personal identifying information and information concerning income from employment and other sources the borrower intends to use to qualify for the mortgage. Information identifying the buyer, such as their name, alternate name, social security number, and date of birth, is entered towards the top. Also noted is their citizenship status. Space is left to insert any co-borrower information if the income, assets, and liabilities of a co-borrower are to be considered for mortgage qualification purposes. Thus, the borrower is asked to indicate whether they are applying for individual credit or joint credit with a co-borrower. The marital status, number of dependents, and contact information of the borrower are called for next. This is followed by the borrower's address and a question of whether they or their spouse have an affiliation with the U.S. Armed Forces. The bottom of Section 1 asks the borrower to indicate their language preference to determine if communications are available in the preferred language. To be sure, the way your client answers this question will not negatively affect their mortgage application and does not guarantee the lender will be able to communicate and provide documents in the preferred language. The borrower's and co-borrower's employment information necessary to identify their source of income is entered in the next section of the loan application. Employment information includes the employment currently held by the borrower's job title, and years spent at the specific job and within the profession. If the borrower is self-employed, they indicate this by checking the self-employed box. Additional space is provided for the borrower to enter further or previous employment information if applicable. They may also note whether they receive income from other sources.